Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Linkee is probably one of the most brilliantly simple yet incredibly addictive trivia games you'll ever encounter, perfectly blending general knowledge with a unique, linked mechanic that keeps everyone on their toes, making it an absolute must-have for game nights where laughter and friendly competition are the main goals, ensuring endless fun for players of all ages and knowledge levels. Number 5. Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza Card Game. Get ready for a wildly entertaining experience with this card game. It's perfect for family gatherings and group game nights, bringing everyone together for laughter. Learning to play is incredibly easy, taking just a minute. You'll be enjoying fast-paced rounds that last only 10 to 15 minutes, keeping the energy high. Whether you're a kid, a teen, an adult, or part of a family, this game is designed for universal enjoyment. It accommodates 2 to 8 players, ensuring no one is left out. Its convenient size means you can take it with you wherever you go. Enjoy spontaneous game sessions at home, on vacation, or at a friend's house. Prepare for laugh-out-loud moments with this simple yet hilarious game. It's wildly popular and guarantees fun for all ages, making every get-together memorable. What we like? This game is incredibly simple to pick up and play, making it perfect for spontaneous fun. Its fast-paced nature guarantees laughs and excitement in short bursts. If you are looking for a quick, hilarious game that you can take anywhere, this is an excellent choice for any gathering. What people say. Number 4. Exploding Kittens Throw Burrito. Get ready for a party game like no other. This unique experience combines the fun of a card game with the thrill of dodgeball. It's designed to bring excitement and friendly competition to any gathering. To play, simply deal out cards and start collecting sets of 3. Once you have a set, you'll score points, but watch out for special burrito cards. These can trigger an epic battle at any moment. When a burrito card is played, prepare to duck, dodge, and dive. You and your friends will hurl soft, squishy burritos at each other. Accumulate points, avoid getting hit, and duel to become the ultimate champion. Inside the box, you'll find 120 vibrant game cards and 2 soft foam burritos. It also includes Burrito Brews tokens and a Fear Me badge for added fun. Everything is there for hours of laugh-out-loud gameplay. Perfect for 2 to 6 players, this game is ideal for ages 7 and up. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just looking for something new, it sparks excitement for kids, teens, and adults alike. Clear some space and get ready to play. It's perfect for family game nights, parties, or gatherings with friends. You can even take it camping or traveling for a burst of fun on the go. Created by the brilliant minds behind Exploding Kittens, this game was a wildly successful Kickstarter project. It continues to capture hearts worldwide with its unique blend of chaos, strategy, and humor. What we like? This offers a unique blend of card game strategy and physical dodgeball action. It's designed to get everyone moving and laughing with its squishy burritos. If you like active games that combine strategy with hilarious physical challenges, this will bring unparalleled excitement to your game night. What people say. Number 3. I Should Have Known That. Trivia Game. Welcome to I Should Have Known That, the trivia game designed to test your everyday knowledge. It's packed with questions about things you probably already know, or at least you should. Forget traditional scoring. With this game, you don't earn points for correct answers. Instead, points are subtracted for every question you get wrong. Inside, you'll find 110 cards, each loaded with multiple questions. That's more than 400 opportunities to prove what you know, or discover what you've forgotten. This game is incredibly fun and surprisingly addictive. You'll find yourself constantly challenged and eager to play just one more round. It won't be long before you exclaim, "Ah! I should have known that," as you realize the answer was right there all along. Get ready for those satisfying, yet sometimes frustrating, revelations. What we like? This game flips traditional trivia on its head by subtracting points for incorrect answers. It focuses on common knowledge, leading to many aha moments. If you enjoy testing your general knowledge and don't mind a challenge that makes you question what you thought you knew, this is a fantastic option. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source JSON is empty. Number 2. Telestrations Original 8-Player. Get ready for endless laughter with this award-winning party game. It's the perfect way to kick off any gathering and bring everyone together. This game is also a great icebreaker. Designed for families, small parties, and friends, this game guarantees LOL fun for everyone. It makes family game night better than ever before. It's suitable for ages 12 and up. Experience the classic telephone game with a hilarious drawing twist. Watch as messages transform from drawing to guess and back again. This unique concept ensures every round is full of surprises. Don't worry if you can't draw a straight line. Stick figures and a good sense of humor are all you need. This game welcomes artists of all levels, making it accessible for everyone. Inside, you'll find 8 erasable sketchbooks, markers, and over 1,700 words to keep the fun going. It also includes a 60-second sand timer, clean-up cloths, and a die for complete gameplay. What we like? This is a hilarious drawing and guessing game, often described as the telephone game sketched out. It explicitly welcomes stick figures, ensuring everyone can participate regardless of artistic talent. If you are looking for a party game that guarantees side-splitting laughter and creative misinterpretations, this is an absolute must-have. What people say. The game involves linking answers to form a common word. It is a quiz game that challenges players to find the Linkee between 4 seemingly unrelated answers. The game design encourages quick thinking and general knowledge across various categories. Number 1. Osmo Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. Discover the Osmo Genius Starter Kit, designed for kids aged 6 to 10. This award-winning system makes learning fun and interactive. Experience the magic as children interact with physical game pieces and their Fire tablet. It brings their actions to life on screen, no Wi-Fi needed for gameplay. This kit is perfect for ages 5-12+, with games designed for all skill levels from beginner to expert. It ensures continuous learning and engagement for your child. It includes 5 engaging games like Math Buzz, Lettertopia, and Detective Agency. They teach math, vocabulary, geography, culture, and history in exciting ways. Inside, you'll find the Osmo base and reflector for Fire tablet, Tangram pieces, numbers tiles, and words tiles. It also comes with stackable storage and 5 game apps. This system works seamlessly with various Fire tablet models, including Fire 7, HD8, HD10, and Max 11. It supports devices running Fire OS 7 through Fire OS 8. As of 2026, Osmo is under new ownership, ensuring full access to all educational apps and dedicated customer service. They provide support for any reflector issues, even offering an adapter for older versions. What we like? This kit offers a unique blend of physical and digital play, bringing educational games to life with tangible pieces. It's designed to foster STEM skills through engaging, interactive challenges. If you have children aged 5 to 12 and are looking for a fun, award-winning way to enhance their learning experience with a tablet, this provides a magical educational journey. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.